Using salted crackers mixed with honey or cinnamon can work as a DIY ant bait if done correctly to target the colony. For effective homemade bait, pick a single sweet or protein attractant based on the species you see. Many common house ants prefer sugary foods, so a honey and salted cracker mash can draw workers. Crush the crackers finely so the mixture is easy for small ants to carry, and combine with just enough honey to make it sticky but not dripping. If it is too wet, the ants will feed at the spot instead of carrying it back. Place small amounts on pieces of wax paper or inside shallow lids near trails and entry points, then leave undisturbed for at least 24 hours while monitoring. Rotate bait locations if none are taken within 2 days, and keep all competing food and crumbs cleared so ants focus on the bait. If cinnamon is used as the attractant, grind it very fine and mix with a tiny bit of water to form a paste that ants can transport. Cinnamon can act more as a repellent for some species, so watch behavior closely. When you see workers carrying particles away, keep the station in place until activity drops, and continue monitoring for new trails for up to 2 weeks. Common problems are ants feeding at the bait but not returning it to the nest, which reduces colony impact, so make the bait easy to carry by using small particle sizes and a tacky binder rather than a puddle. Another issue is non-target pets or children getting into food baits, so use covered, inaccessible bait stations and small amounts tucked away where pets cannot reach. A third concern is using repellent ingredients or too strong a scent that deters workers. If ants avoid cinnamon, switch to a plain honey and cracker mix or dilute strong scents until ants accept it. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share and find real project experiences related to pest control and other homework. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, test homemade remedies, and post photos and follow-ups.